Recipe book alert. Are you a foodie at heart? Ever cried that bomb olive pasta you made but cannot remember how? Forget the internet searches that never taste the same and those forgotten recipes. Log it all in the recipe book section. It's a cinch to find. Like, remember the time you whipped up the most epic olive oil pasta and it was straight up delish? Just hit up the index, click the icon, and boom! There is that delish recipe you saved. Keep your go-to seasoning ratio, staple side ingredients, dressing, and even cocktail in the tip section for easy access. Jot down what you buy before it hits the fridge and check what you've got before planning meals to majorly cut down on waste. And it makes choosing menu a cinch.